G'day everyone, this is Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm a professional tiler. I have been for 35 years and this is the bathroom we're doing at the moment. I'll just pop this on my head and I'll show you how it's done. DIYs. Always try and work as plumb and flat as you can. The walls in this bathroom aren't that good and I've had to fix them up. This wall isn't too bad, so we are proceeding with tiles. I'd recommend that you use clips all the time when you're laying your tiles at your own place. DIYers, I can't stipulate these clips, like, it's a no-brainer. It makes it so easy using clips. I wouldn't like to, like years ago I had to lay tiles without clips and I know the difference. I would never go without using clips anymore, ever. Another thing is, I like to spread my tile, not the wall, but do whatever floats your boat. Okay, so I'll be running a bit of silicone up there. I can put my VJ board behind that architrave and then run a bead of silicone up. That's cool. I'm a fan of spreading my tile, but DIYs, you can spread the wall. If you want. In Queensland in the summer, it's very hot, so it depends where you live in the world, depends what your climate is. In the summer, if I spread a wall, it would be starting to skin by the time I started putting tiles on. So I've always done it this way, and it's less mess as well. Always use a 12mm notchy. If you try and go and using a smaller notch trowel thinking that you're going to save glue, which you save money, you think, no, you don't actually. So it's just straight out better to use a 12mm notch trowel all the time. I'll only drop down to a 6mm notch trowel if I'm doing mosaic, or a sawtooth notchy, which is like a 3mm, only in certain applications. But you don't use less glue using, say, an 8mm notchy. Slap your clips in. It's not a race, just calm down, slow down. And enjoy yourself. Trying to get some more clips, more wedges. All the time when you're clipping it up, you're watching your lines to make sure they're even. Watching your levels so you don't trip over them and they go crashing to the floor. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, everyone. Please write us a comment. Ask me any questions that you're not sure of. If you're tiling your own project, send us a quick line and I'll endeavour to get back to you as soon as I can. I bring out a video every day now, and I'm sure you will learn something. Well, I'm sure you'll learn a lot. That's what I'm out to do. Lean on in, people. You will learn. So if you would, give us a thumbs up, press the bell, press the subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Bye.